Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Hey, if this is your first time watching and you enjoy all the Phil's lawn care videos, this is the behind the scenes channel, so please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to never miss another upcoming video. I recently went to my local Home Depot and I picked up this tool here, and we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is the Milwaukee M12 hatchet. It's a 6-inch pruning saw. And I picked this up because I slowly get out of using chainsaws, even the battery ones. This is the MSA 200C. It's a pretty big saw in my personal opinion as far as battery. And then you got your gas MS 271 with the 20-inch bar. That thing's huge. But honestly, when I'm doing these lawn makeovers, sometimes I just need something super duper small. And with the 6-inch cutting width here, this is going to be perfect for lawn makeover. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. While we unbox this, let's talk about why I picked this up instead of the Stihl. I think it's the GTA 26. It's also the little chainsaw, hatchet, pruning saw, whatever you want to call it. Because I know a lot of you are probably like, Phil, you use Stihl products mainly. Why did you buy this? Well, because I like the 2 extra inches on the bar, the cutting width, and I actually do not have the new AS2 battery line as far as Stihl little hand tools go. So I have a lot of M12 batteries and definitely quite a bit of M12 chargers, so that's why I chose to go with this one instead. And I also didn't like the little safety top feature on the Stihl. I don't know if it's removable or not, but I didn't want to take the risk. Now this one comes in at $199 at my local Home Depot without battery and charger. Again, I only need the tool. I have the batteries and charger already. Let's go ahead and slide the components out and see what, ooh, sorry, a little shaky. Table is definitely unstable. We got a booklet. No stickers. I wish they had like some Milwaukee stickers in here, but you always get this booklet and instruction manual that shows all the products. I believe this is the unit that's going to come out next. Try and do this without shaking the table. Oh, okay, well, empty box. Nothing in there? All right. So here it is. So again, this is nothing new. You guys have probably seen other lawn care guys use this tool. I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee. I went out and purchased this with my own money because I will be using this in the future in basically all of my videos. So it's brand new, never been used, obviously. Feels real nice in the hand, really lightweight. Let's go ahead and throw a battery in and put some bar oil in here. We're gonna do the bar oil first. And we don't need a lot because I won't be needing to use this, and I don't want this thing to leak. Hopefully it doesn't leak, because I know my chainsaws, when you leave the bar oil in there, they leak like crazy. So we're just going to put a little bit in there. Again, we're going to test it out. That's all we're going to do. We're not going to be going and doing a job with this today. Take this paper off and tighten it up. Now I guess you can use the tool that comes with it to tighten up this cap. Here's the tool, and it fits right in this slot here. You can use this to close the cap, but you shouldn't need to use the tool because you can, I mean, if you have arthritis in your fingers, sure. But again, you can use the tool, you don't have to. So the tool goes back in like so. Today we're going to be inserting a XC 6.0 battery. And now, of course, take off the bar cover. And it's got this safety mechanism. You have to push this button and then pull on the trigger because it's locked if you don't. So, and you can do this with one hand with your finger. That's what it looks like. Let's go one more time. All right, let's just do 2 real quick cuts. One right here to remove that branch. And as you can see, this center one is kind of dead. So we're gonna cut that as well. So let's go ahead, try to do this one hand. All right, that was harder than it should have been. All right, and the second cut. Now we'll definitely put this tool to the real test out in the real world. You'll see it more in the Phil's Lawn Care lawn makeover videos for, on the Phil's Lawn Care channel, on the main channel, but so far so good. I really like it. Obviously, it's a little bit tough to use this with one hand. That's why this little grab bar is here for you to kind of place your second hand so you have more control. Obviously, to be safer, use both hands. You guys know, you aren't babies. Read the instruction manual. It'll tell you exactly how to use this product. But there you go. So I hope you appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think of this product. Like always, definitely not the first to try out these new tools, but hey, I'm slowly upgrading my collection. Love Milwaukee battery operated tools. As you can see, I have lots of them. And maybe I'll do a video on all of my Milwaukee tool collections. Let me know if you'd like to see that video by leaving a comment down below. Again, if this is your first time watching my Phil's Lawn Care Plus channel, this is all behind the scenes of everything that we do in the Phil's Lawn Care operation, in my lawn care business. So if you guys appreciate this channel as well, if you like the content that I'm creating here, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. It's the red button right there, right by my name. And hit the notification bell to never miss any more upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much. God bless you. And we'll see you in the next one.